Want faster access to your favorite website? In this guide, you'll learn how to add a website shortcut directly to your Android home screen, allowing you to open a web page with a single tap just like a regular app. First of all, open the Google Chrome browser app. Once Chrome launches, visit the website or web page that you want quick access to. This can be anything from a news site and online store to a work portal or favorite blog. After the web page has fully loaded, tap the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. This opens Chrome's menu where you'll find several browsing options. Scroll through the menu and tap Add to Home Screen. Then click on the Create Shortcut option. A pop-up window will appear, giving you the option to customize the shortcut name. You can keep the default website name or enter a shorter name that fits neatly on your home screen. Once you're happy with the name, tap Add. Android will then display a second confirmation prompt. You can either tap Add again to automatically place the shortcut on an available spot on your home screen, or select and hold the icon to manually drag it to your preferred location. The shortcut will appear with the website's icon or favicon, making it easy to recognize. Tapping it will instantly open the saved web page in Chrome, saving you time and eliminating the need to search for the site each time you want to visit it. That's it. Your website shortcut is now on the Android home screen, giving you one-tap access to your favorite web page anytime without opening Chrome first.